Would you like to know the tremendous changes that would happen if you drank a glass of garlic juice every day? Then press the like button, and let's get started without slowing down. Number 1. Your kidney health will improve significantly with garlic water. Dealing with kidney infections can be quite challenging, but adding garlic water to your routine can be a game changer. Scientific studies, such as one conducted by Pantip University, confirm that garlic has both curative and preventive effects against a harmful pathogen known as P. aeruginosa. This pathogen is notorious for causing urinary tract problems and various kidney infections. Experts recommend eating 3 to 4 cloves of garlic daily or starting your day with a glass of garlic water to protect your kidneys and energize your morning. Number 2. If you're struggling with high blood pressure and cholesterol issues, garlic juice can be your savior. According to macrobiotic health coach and nutritionist Shilpa Arora, garlic has significant benefits for your lipid profile, meaning that consuming garlic juice can help balance your blood pressure. A study conducted by the King Khalid University School of Pharmacy found that consuming 0.02 to 3.5 ounces of aged garlic extract was as effective as certain blood pressure medications. In addition, your cholesterol levels will also benefit from the effects of garlic. Research at the University of Oxford shows that garlic can reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, by 10 to 15%. These results are impressive. He emphasizes that garlic juice is a simple but powerful remedy. The next time you feel the effects of high blood pressure or cholesterol, drink a glass of garlic water. It can make a significant difference. Number 3. Garlic water can also play an important role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. In addition to its benefits for blood pressure and cholesterol, garlic is effective in managing high blood sugar levels. This is especially important because high blood sugar can contribute to several health problems, including diabetes and obesity. A study conducted by the Faculty of Science at Kuwait University highlighted the ability of raw garlic to naturally lower blood sugar levels. This makes regular consumption of garlic water even more beneficial to your overall health. Number 4. Garlic water can help build stronger bones, addressing issues such as osteoarthritis and joint pain that affect many people worldwide. Including garlic water in your diet may be particularly beneficial. Research published in the journal BMC Musculoskeletal Disorders suggests that a diet rich in allium vegetables, including onions, leeks, and garlic, may reduce the risk of osteoarthritis and other bone-related conditions. Garlic plays a role in maintaining optimal levels of estrogen in the body, which is essential for skeletal development and overall bone health. Number 5. Garlic water can positively impact your vision, offering surprising benefits for eye health. Researchers from Iran conducted a study showing that garlic can lower intraocular pressure, which is beneficial for eye health. In addition, a study by specialists at Stanford University in Turkey showed promising results indicating that garlic can fight microbes responsible for keratitis, a serious eye condition. These findings underscore the protective role of garlic water for your eyes, making it a valuable addition to your health regimen. Number 6. Garlic water can enhance the effectiveness of your workout, providing a noticeable boost in exercise efficiency. Research from NT Medical College demonstrated improved exercise capacity in individuals with heart disease who regularly consumed garlic. In addition, a study by the Healthcare Research Institute in Japan suggested garlic's potential to reduce exercise-induced fatigue. Interestingly, the benefits of garlic for physical performance have been recognized since ancient times, when it was commonly used to alleviate fatigue and increase work capacity. It has even been administered to Olympic athletes, underscoring the versatile benefits of garlic. Number 7. Garlic water has been linked to several anti-aging benefits, including improved brain function. This improvement is attributed to garlic's positive effects on blood pressure and cholesterol levels, as mentioned above. A 2006 study conducted by Tufts University School of Medicine found that garlic consumption may reduce the risk of dementia, a group of brain disorders that affect cognitive function. Another Tufts study found that garlic may also reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. In addition, garlic contains essential antioxidants that boost your body's natural defenses against oxidative stress, a major contributor to the aging process. In essence, starting your day with a glass of garlic water can provide an instant boost to your brain function. Number 8. Garlic water can be a valuable aid in weight loss, contributing to a slim and toned appearance. Starting your day with garlic water before breakfast stimulates your digestive system and promotes smooth digestion throughout the day. In addition, research by French scientists indicates that the sulfur compounds in garlic inhibit the inflammation necessary for fat cell expansion. This leads to healthy weight loss while ensuring that your body benefits from the nutrients in your diet. In addition, garlic water has been known to alleviate various stomach problems such as stomach aches, bloating, and diarrhea, making it a beneficial addition to your diet. Number 9. Garlic water can contribute to clearer skin, especially for those struggling with persistent acne. Garlic is known for its powerful antioxidant properties and remarkable anti-inflammatory effects that help eliminate toxins from your body. When your internal health is optimized, it is reflected in flawless skin. Studies conducted by Iranian scientists have shown that garlic can significantly reduce acne. Number 10. Garlic water is ideal for detoxifying your body by supplementing your body's natural detoxification processes. Although your body works diligently to eliminate toxins, occasional detoxification is beneficial. A 2-week study conducted by scientists at Mashhad University of Medical Sciences found that garlic has the potential to reduce various clinical signs of toxicity and significantly boost your immune system. This immune-boosting effect also contributes to garlic's effectiveness against flu and colds. So, if you feel your body could use a little support, consider adding garlic water to your routine. What are you thinking right now? If you want to include garlic water in your daily menu, all you have to do is cut a few cloves of organic garlic into small pieces and add them to the water. Then mix the ingredients well and your garlic juice is ready. Be sure to drink it first thing in the morning and on an empty stomach. This way, you will get the full dose of its amazing properties. Recipe. In addition, you will need 2 carrots, an apple sliced with the peel, 2 cups of drinking water, 1 pinch of parsley, 4 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. All these ingredients should be blended with a blender, and the mixture should be filtered. This water should be consumed every day on an empty stomach and in the form of a tea glass. Another garlic juice recipe is 2 apples sliced with their peels, 1 green pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. The making of this recipe is the same as the previous recipe. The garlic juice recipe passed through the blender should be consumed as much as a tea glass on an empty stomach. If you like this healing video, please support us. If you like and subscribe to our channel, we will be very happy if you like and also benefit from the benefits of garlic, which has these tremendous effects. Make sure that your close environment benefits from the benefits of garlic. Do not forget to share this video with your loved ones. I wish everyone a happy day. Remember, the most important thing is your body.